Ali was a curious and intelligent boy who loved exploring the forest near his village. One day, while wandering deep into the woods, he came across a golden tree that stood out from all the others. Its leaves shimmered, each one decorated with tiny star-shaped patterns. Amazed, Ali stepped closer and gently touched the tree. Suddenly, a soft glow emerged, and the tree spoke. Tayo, Ali, I am a magical tree. If you protect me, I will grant you my mystical powers. Ali listened to the tree and promised to protect it. The next day, some greedy villagers arrived with axes, ready to cut it down. Ali stood in their way and pleaded, "This tree is special. If you cut it down, the beauty of the forest will fade." But they refused to listen. Suddenly, the tree's light grew stronger, and it enveloped itself in a magical shield. The tree gifted Ali a special ability power to understand the language of nature. Now he could talk to birds and animals. He returned to the village and told everyone that the tree was alive and could protect them. When the villagers heard the tree speak, they were astonished and began taking care of it. Ali and the tree formed a deep bond, and he dedicated himself to protecting the forest. The villagers, too, stopped cutting trees and started planting more. The magical tree not only gave Ali power, but also taught the entire village the importance of respecting nature. Che